Nababo Kabalen. My name is Louis. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out, as well as helping businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we're going to share with you this one box of Raphael's Davao Pomelos. Join me! Alright, so there you have it, guys. These are our pomelos sa table natin. I remember when I visited Davao and pagka-uwi ko, in all honesty, wala akong ibang biniling pasalubong kundi yung mga pomelo nila. So I have tested kung gaano kasarap talaga yung mga pomelos sa Davao. And luckily, you don't need to go to Davao just to purchase yung mga pomelo nila. So available po si Raphael's Davao Pomelos. They now have this distributor dito sa Pampanga. And with that, we get to enjoy these kinds of pomelo. If you notice, yung pinaka-meat ng pomelo natin is pinkish red. And comparing it with the other pomelo, hindi ito yung overpower yung pagiging sour ng fruit. Para kang kumakain ng juice. Anyway, let's talk about some information about Raphael's Davao Pomelos. So, according to our orientation, 189 per kilogram po yung kanilang bentahe sa mga products nila. And 1 cup of yung pomelo fruit natin is equivalent to just 72 calories. It has 193 times amount of vitamin C that we can get from these fruits. Plus, yung dietary fiber nito is 7% per day. So, aside from vitamin C, pomelo is also an antioxidant fruit. So, this is very essential kapag you have eaten a lot. Additionally, it helps prevent yung premature aging natin. Yan. Sarap. I could sit down and eat an entire fruit, in just one eating, guys. I really like this fruit. If I have, top 5 sa mga fruits na gusto ko, this is gonna be the top 1. Number 1. Grabe, promise. So, since it has that essential amount of fiber, it can also help yung pag-weight loss. So, I think I really need this one on a daily basis now because I've been, gaining weight lately. So, it's gonna help with your weight loss regime. So, again, guys, if you're interested to taste this Davao Pomelos, or if you want to know more about their products, make sure to check out their fan page. It's Raphael's Davao Pomelos Pampanga Distributor. It is flashing on your screens right now para maka-order din po kayo. And kagaya ko, ma-enjoy nyo rin yung mga ganitong fruits. These are from Davao but now available dito po sa Pampanga. So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to check out Raphael's Davao Pomelos. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video. Peace out. Bye, guys.